WoodEpox is a two-part epoxy wood replacement compound that can be easily colored with pigments and stains. In this video, we demonstrate the performance of 3 different wood stains applied to both WoodEpox and WoodEpox that has been colored with a dry pigment. Our sample boards have been divided into 3 sections for the application of semi-transparent, semi-solid, and solid stains. Each section was marked with an X to illustrate the hiding power of the stain being applied to the WoodEpox. The sample stains were applied using a foam brush. Each stain was applied to both the standard light beige WoodEpox and the brown pigmented WoodEpox. We began with the semi-transparent stain, followed by the semi-solid stain. And finally, the solid stain. One coat is sufficient for staining the surface of WoodEpox. After about 5 minutes, we wiped away any excess stain using a clean, dry cloth. Most stains require 24 to 48 hours to fully dry. Take note of the manufacturer's recommended drying time for the specific stain you are using. After removing the tape from the sample boards, you can see the performance and effectiveness of each of the 3 stains on both the standard WoodEpox and the pigmented WoodEpox. It's recommended to test small patches with different stains and pigments in order to be sure that you reach the specific color you're trying to achieve. A selection of colored pigments is available at Abitron.com in order to help you match a variety of wood tones. For more information on finishing or coating WoodEpox, please contact Abitron today.